in my car. What's happening on Saturday night?
Hearing those are ringing up to find out where a car is. Still a bit sweet, isn't it?
Yeah, where did I put that?
What have you lost?
It's a fucking thing to tighten this up. There, look. It's there, looking at me. Right. Should be good to go.
Okey doke. Here goes nothing.
Oh, look at that. She looked warm.
It did look, them filings looked warm, didn't they?
Aye. So what we're doing here is we're taking a bit off this old bearing so we can use it to press the new bearing in.
Yeah.
That's what we're doing. And we're just going to...
The myford lathe.
Yeah, we're just going to back this up. Wait a minute. Take a bit more off it. Get the spectacles on.
Well, she's cooking. I'd say that was
That'll do, won't it?
that'll be a result. What do you say, Carl?
I say that'll be a result.
Tip top,
Right.
Tommy.
Let's get this bearing in so we can have some cans.
Yeah.